Okay, now you can see when I'm clicking over here, I can get this inbox mail. That's called what exactly? That's called a mail. Okay, all mails are received from over here. This is a second mode that's called a calendar. Means whatever I schedule, meetings, whatever I scheduled it will be showing directly inside of my calendar. Okay, and the third one I have the contacts, right? Means if suppose right now there is no any contacts, you can save your contacts also. So why we are saving contacts and this kind of stuff we are learning to the when I'm teaching to the that topic. Now after the last one, this is called exactly when I am assigning tasks, I can see the all assigning task over here. See again, this is for mailing purpose. Whatever I receive mail from someone, it will be received only in my inbox. This is called exactly the mail. Okay, whatever I scheduling like meetings and my appointments, it will be in my calendar. I can see that. After the third one, all are my contacts. I can save, I can see over here only. And the last one, this is called a task. If someone assign anyone to me task, or maybe I am assigned someone task, I can see over here. So you can getting what is divided into the one, two, three, four sections. Okay. Now again, I am going to the mail. After that, you can see it's always saying a synchronize means it's take a time to synchronize with your Gmail account and Outlook account. Okay, now again over here zoom in and zoom out button, right? So you already know. Now let's go directly to understand the features. First is the top, again quick access toolbar, right? Here we have the undo also, but you cannot say undo you can useful for over here, right? Because if suppose someone you already sent already message and you are doing undo, it will be undo from your system, but it will be not undo from his system, right? Because it's already send it. You can see Outlook is like a same like you are sending someone message, right? And you can receive him from someone, right? This is all. But over here is what is exactly Outlook is totally different rather than the messaging application. Outlook everyone are using officially. Like if suppose I want to schedule appointment, if suppose I want to do any official work, so we are using the Outlook, right? And if suppose I want to chat anyone, this is not a chatting system, right? This is not a messenger, right? It's only for a what purpose? Office purpose. Okay, now let's go to the understand file. When you are going to the file, you can see again same option, information, save. If you want to save your file, if you want to export and import, you can do that. If you want to print, you can print that. Again office account means you can see your account. After feedback, if you want to give to the feedback to the account team, you can do that. After that, you can see over here option what options means if suppose I want to do any changes with the options we have. And exits means if suppose I want to do a back. Okay, now you can see I'm going again back. Okay, over here, even when you are clicking over here in info, you can see who is the right now a login with. See account information, like I am account who is account Skyvision, sorry, Rohit Skyvision College @gmail.com, right? So it's attached. You can again attach the another account also. At a time you can attach many accounts, right? Here is an option. Plus you can see amount settings. When you are clicking when you are say clicking on account setting, you can see there are a lot of account setting you can do. Okay, if suppose I'm checking account settings, and you can see that there is right now one email ID is attached. And if suppose I want to attach a new one, we can attach a new one also, right? But if you want to go over here, we have the directly option to the over here, go to the files, say to the go to the info over here, account, see add account. When you're clicking over here, again see same step, right? So you can do a same step, and you can add the 224455 account at a time. You can handle that. Like you have the boss, and you boss want to already your boss created their four IDs for different department, right? So he can directly communicate with their different email ID, and he did not need to log in again and again with the different ID. All IDs are over here. First ID over here, second ID over here, third ID over here, fourth ID over here. And when they are clicking on particular ID, it will be open that particular box email, right? Means what at a time he can handle multiple ID with the one only Outlook account. Okay, now let Now let's go understand one functionality. Okay. First file we done after a home. Okay. When we are clicking on home, you can see we need to go to the first or write first mail to the someone. Okay. Let's go. How we can write? We can directly click over here also new mail. You can see open window will be open, right? So rather than directly go to the open, you can go to the step by step also. New items, go to the new items and see over here email message. This new email and this email is the same. It's not a different. Okay. Let me click over here in email. I'm clicking that. To means who I want to send a mail. Okay. Suppose I want to send mail in my account, another account I have already, Rohit Kadam 733 dot rk at the rate gmail dot com. Okay, this is already I have one account. Okay, this is my another account. Now cc means what? Carbon copy. Okay, carbon copy means what? Whatever I return a mail inside of that same mail, a same message can see my boss also, like cc. Who can you put a cc? Those who want to say those who want to show you your same as it is message, right? If we can see what exactly the carbon copy. If suppose I am an employee and I'm writing a someone a message, right? Blah blah blah, this stuff I want to do, I want to meeting with you, and whatever a meeting decided you want to show to your boss also. So you can put over your boss id, email id into the cc means carbon copy. Okay, after that subject you already know means what exactly the subject of the meeting, right? You can see right now I want to say it's like a try means I'm just trying something, right? So try, I mean this is my try subject. After in down you can write exactly mail whatever you want to write to your boss, right? After that you can see this is all our regular functions, right? Copy paste curse paste, you can go over here, copy that, control c copy, control v paste, we can copy paste, we can bold that, right? I'm going over here and bold that. I can do italic, I can do underline, background color, right? Again font color, right? Right side, left side, middle side, right? Everything, right? Right, left side, right side, middle. If suppose I want to do a bullet point, if suppose I want to do a numbering, see unorder list, order list. If suppose I want to increase a size, we can increase the size also. See, this is all option we already use over here there into the Word, PowerPoint, and Excel also. Same functionality we have, right? Getting? After that, if suppose, right, let me show, I'm just erasing. Now, suppose my mail is ready, okay? And just suppose I'm trying blah 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 stuff, blah 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 blah, okay? Is my mail is ready. I don't have a time to write a good mail. Okay, so I'm just writing any Baku stuff. Now you can see I'm just clicking on send button. So just see in the down over here what happened? It's a sending, and right now it's sent. Let me check on email account. It will be a receive also. Let me check. I have a two to three accounts. Let me check over here. Email. Okay, see over here top. See, I receiving a Rohit Sky Vision College from one mail. See, whatever I say, okay, means it's received. It's working perfectly. Okay, now again I'm going back step. So this is one mail I send it. Now let's go again to the home, new. After that, let me show one by one why what kind of options we have inside of that. See, I'm clicking on again mail. Let me write again to the Rohit Kadam, this is my another email ID. I put it. I can put also my boss over here. Again, I want to say the try subject. I want to try something. Okay. Now, when I am clicking over here, you can see we have the names. Names and address are a clarify whatever I return name over, it's a right or wrong. Okay. Means you can see over here, I have the address book right now in my address who I addressed it to means whom Rohit Kadam. So you can see I am sending to this person means address where exactly I am sending.